Now we will examine the core values and guiding principles of the Agile approach. In 2001, Agile Manifesto was published by a group of software developers. Manifesto means public declaration of aims. Therefore, Agile Manifesto is an explanation of the goals for Agile philosophy. Agile values are defined in the format of prioritization of A over B, which is a way to say that both A and B are important, but Agile philosophy puts more emphasis on A. There are four sets of values. Individuals and interactions have priority over processes and tools. Customer collaboration over negotiation. Responding to change over following a plan. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Now we will review each set individually. The first one, individuals and interactions have priority over processes and tools.
Hey, have you heard about the first set of Agile values?
Yes, I have. It's all about prioritizing individuals and interactions over processes and tools, right?
Exactly. The most important factor in achieving success is not just the tools and processes, but the people and team behind them.
Why is having a strong team so important?
Having the best tools is useless if the team doesn't have the necessary skills and cohesion. The way team members interact and communicate with each other is what enables them to tackle challenges and work together effectively.
Second, customer collaboration over negotiation.
I've heard that Agile puts a lot of emphasis on customer collaboration. Why is that?
That's because one of the Agile values is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. In Agile, we believe that working closely with the customer throughout the development process is critical to achieving a successful outcome.
But what about contracts? Don't they provide a roadmap for the project?
Contracts are important for setting out the terms and expectations for development of a product, but in Agile, it's not necessary to spend a lot of time trying to plan out every detail in advance. Instead, we focus on continuous development and seek regular feedback from the customer to ensure that we're on the right track.
Third, responding to change over following a plan.
I've heard that one of the Agile values is responding to change over following a plan. Can you tell me more about that?
Sure. While it's important to have a plan and roadmap, it's equally important to be able to adapt to changes in needs and priorities. That's why Agile teams have a dynamic roadmap that can be updated regularly.
That makes sense. But what happens if the roadmap changes too often? Doesn't that lead to confusion and delays?
It can, if changes are made without proper communication and planning. That's why Agile teams have regular meetings to discuss changes and plan accordingly.
Do you have any personal anecdotes about how responding to change has helped your team?
Yes, we had a project where the scope changed midway through development. Instead of scrapping all the work we had done, we were able to pivot and adjust our roadmap to meet the new requirements. This allowed us to deliver the project on time and within budget.
That's great to hear. I can see how being flexible can be beneficial. Thanks for sharing your experience.
No problem. Remember, being agile is all about being able to adapt to change and deliver value to the customer.
Fourth, working software over comprehensive documentation.
Hey, have you heard about the fourth set of Agile values?
Yes, I have. It's about prioritizing working software over comprehensive documentation.
Exactly. In Agile methodology, the highest priority is to release working software that meets the customer's needs and expectations.
Why is that important?
Well, while documentation is important for knowledge transfer and maintenance, it is not a good use of time and effort to create elaborate documentation for a product that does not meet the customer's requirements.
I see. So by giving priority to creation of working software, agile teams can be more effective and produce better results. So, what can we do to ensure we prioritize working software?
We can focus on delivering small, incremental releases that meet the customer's needs and expectations. We can also collaborate closely with the customer to ensure we are meeting their requirements.
That makes sense. By focusing on working software, we can ensure we are delivering value to the customer and producing better results.
Thank you for tuning in and watching our content. We appreciate your time and engagement. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share your views with us and fellow viewers. Thank you for being a part of our online community. And we hope to see you again.